Begin at 5 o'clock tracking Cindy. The storm has already claimed its first victim, a 10-year-old child who was visiting in Alabama. Tropical storm is just hours away from making landfall near the Texas-Louisiana border.
And as it continues its trek, we're getting a better idea tonight of what the Houston area can expect. Our team of reporters is covering how people are getting ready from our eastern counties all the way to Alabama. We have you covered, but we start with Chief Meteorologist Frank Billingsley and the latest track of the storm itself. Frank?
Well, take a look at this Click 2 pin. You can see Galveston is an angry sea out there. A lot of this water already on the streets of Jamaica Beach, in the backyards of some of the Bay neighborhoods. So watch out there on the island. You are already seeing the effects. 50-mile-an-hour winds from the 4 o'clock advisory, moving to the northwest at 9 miles an hour, which will put it in the Sabine Pass area about 3 o'clock in the morning overnight tonight. So that's the forecast. There's 1 a.m. continuing on right along the Sabine River on into Shreveport, 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday, Friday into southern Arkansas, Memphis, Tennessee is just a remnant low. It gets caught in the westerly. So it really is a 24-hour event through tomorrow night for much of Texas. Tornado watches do not include us, although I can't rule out at least a tropical funnel cloud down there around Galveston or into the Beaumont area. That is for sure. Here's a look at the Exactrack radar currently, and you can see the showers are not that impressive, and the rain amounts aren't either. This light blue is just 1/10 of an inch, so we haven't seen a lot of rain. Heavier offshore, clearly 4 or 5 inches of rain where the center of this storm is. So the future cast, that's what we have to look at, puts almost all of this to the east of the Houston area. You can see perhaps a little bit of a shower in the overnight moving in. Then up toward Livingston, we'll have to watch out, almost drawing a line from Anahuac to Livingston and going off toward the Beaumont area and the Sabine area. That's where we will find most of the rain. So how much is that? For some of you, it could really get significant, especially right here along I-10 toward Beaumont and Port Arthur, looking at least 6 to 8 inches of rain, if not even 10 to 12 inches of rain as this moves ashore. For us, we get possibly 2 to 3 inches back out toward the Houston area, much less than that. The wind impacts we'll talk about coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, Frank, thank you.